evolution of aircraft, from dreams to hypersonics 1. The era of dreamers and early attempts before engines existed. People attempted to fly using gliders. Leonardo da Vinci drew blueprints but could not realize them. In the 19th century, the first attempts to create powered aircraft appeared, but they were too heavy and weak. 2. The birth of aviation. The Wright brothers 1903. The turning point was 1903. Orville and Wilbur Wright made the first controlled flight in the Flyer 1. It was a biplane powered by a gasoline engine. The flight lasted only 12 seconds, but it proved that humans could control a machine in the air. 3. World War I and the Golden Age 1914-1939. War turned aircraft from toys into weapons. World War I. Aircraft evolved from reconnaissance tools to fighters and bombers. The first synchronizers allowing firing through the propeller were introduced. Interwar period, an era of records, all metal structures emerged. Charles Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic solo. Aircraft became faster, more reliable, and began transporting passengers. 4. The Jet Revolution 1940s-1960s. World War I spurred the development of the jet engine. Instead of pistons and propellers, a powerful jet of gas was used. This allowed aircraft to break the sound barrier. After the war, the era of civil jet aviation began. Aircraft became accessible to mass passengers, drastically reducing flight times between continents. 5. The era of supersonics and digitalization 1970s-2000s. Engineers strove for speed and comfort. Supersonic flight. The emergence of the legendary Concorde, which flew faster than sound. Efficiency. The advent of wide-body airliners such as the Boeing 747, capable of carrying hundreds of people. Electronics. Fly-by-wire technology controlling the plane via wires instead of cables, and computerization made flights maximally safe. 6. Modernity and the future. Ecology and intelligence today. The focus has shifted from pure speed to efficiency and ecology. Composites. The use of carbon fiber makes aircraft lighter and more economical. Unmanned aerial vehicles. Drones are changing warfare and logistics. Green aviation. The development of electric engines and the use of hydrogen fuel to reduce CO2 emissions. Hypersonics. The creation of vehicles capable of flying 5-10 times the speed of sound. Summary. In 120 years, aviation has traveled the path from wooden structures barely lifting off the ground to high-tech computers with wings capable of crossing oceans in hours.